What's going on, YouTube? In this video, I'm taking a look back at the last 4 to 5 months of my Instagram content, and I'm pulling out all those valuable pieces, such as how I do FBM orders, checking out at the Nike store, mixing in the family, all that kind of value-added stuff. So definitely check it out and give me a thumbs up if you like it. Here it is. But before I play this first part, I just want to give credit where credit's due. So this idea is actually not original at all. I saw from Reezy's content when I took a look and I sorted his videos from oldest to newest. So that's exactly what he did, is he actually compiled a list of all his Snapchats and made it into a video. I hope you enjoy this form of content. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Got the last of the Kohl's bags in this box. Gonna tape that up, and those three already have the Kohl's stuff in it, so that's all going to the prep and pack. Other good things for today. Found the 2019 calendar. Gonna start filling that out. And profit first, I figured out what percentage of dollars go to each of the 7 accounts that this guy has you set up. It's kind of like dieting, where you eat out of a smaller plate, you'll take in less calories. It's sort of the best, easiest way, quickest way of me telling you about it. Not so great. Found some gloves that were for Christmas last year. Otherwise, we got receipts and invoices all caught up today. Cool thing about hardware stores is the kids can check out the chicks and the adults. Hey, good morning, good morning. This isn't a big part of my business, so I haven't said a whole lot about it, but I will on occasion do a little bit of fulfilled by merchant video games. Now, those have been sitting for quite a while, but it's because it's very, very easy. Now, I just put this one together for today, and essentially I'll get the order. I'll use ShipStation.com. I'll print the postage on this Zebra printer, which, by the way, is super reliable. Never had a problem with it. It is a LP2844Z. And then, depending on what the game is, for like a Game Boy game or something small like a PlayStation Vita, it'll be a 3x4 label. For something a little larger, maybe a disc without a case, I have these, and I will put the disc in there, stick it in a 6x10 bubble mailer, and also some bigger stuff, DVD cases, that kind of thing. I use it 8.5x11, and I'll fold it over on the game and apply the tape, apply the thermal label, and ship it out. I just like it because it's super, super easy, and it's just every now and then, so it's really shipment's ready to go. Now we're actually getting date night to spend some Kohl's cash tonight. I just published a post on the first half of this as to how I inspect anything I'm going to put up on eBay. And now, anyways, it takes it from there, and I do pictures like this, pictures like this, pictures like this, a couple different ways. And anyways, it's just sitting on something that's white. It looks a lot nicer than something like this or this. And then it goes up on eBay finally. This, a couple different ways. And anyways, it's just sitting on something that's white. It looks a lot nicer than something like this or this. And then it goes up on eBay finally.